Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, back with another video. And today, I'm doing an update video on the one from my last video, which literally blew up 2,000 views in 1 week. Insane. Thank you guys so much for that. Anyways, let's get straight into a video. So if this does do good, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a calculator in Discord.py using buttons. So, what we want to do is we want to start off by doing from Discord components, and then do import. And then you want to go over to pip install discord -com. I may have spelled that wrong, so I'm just gonna pop in here and fix it up like so, and make sure this is a dash when you're installing it, and then click enter and wait for everything to install. I have already installed it, so it will say requirement already satisfied, but you guys most likely haven't, and so just go ahead and install it. Once you have installed it though, you have to go down to wherever your on-ready function is. So mine is right here, and we can put in Discord components. Hope I spelled that correctly. If I didn't, I'm just gonna grab it from here. And then you wanna put in client. Now then you can scroll down to a random place, or you can use this in calls. Also, it works the same exact code. Just when we're putting client like dot something, just put self dot before it, because you're gonna need that. Anyways, you can do client dot commands, and then actually just command, and then do async dep, and we're just gonna call this button. And inside just pass in ctx and do that. And then we can do ctx.send, and then inside here actually open it up, and let's put in anything that you want. So this button like so, and then add a comma, not format, comma, and then enter and do components. Inside that should be an array like so, and then inside that should have button, label, and whatever you want to put in the label. So let's say click it, and basically that'll just create the button. Now you can go out of this, and yes, you can also add a style attribute, everything, have it perfectly what you want, but yeah, we will get that towards the end of the video. And then you want to have interaction equals await ctx, and then ctx client dot wait underscore for. Now if you're in cogs, put self dot client. If you're not, then don't do it, and if you don't know what cogs is, then just don't do it. And change this to bot if you're using bot, or once again for anything. And then wait for button and just click, and then check. And then check lambda I equals I dot component dot label. So that will just find the label of the component, and then you can do dot starts with, and inside we can just do click or whatever this starts with. And then once we have that, we can just do await interaction dot respond, and then do content, no, not that, content equals, and inside here it can just be button click. Now this is actually better because using this you can program each and every button to whatever you'd basically want. So you can make it so interaction or have click on me button or equal this button, and then you can make it so it edits the message to go into a different page and make a paginator using this. But now that we have this code, and yes, this is all code you need for a basic button code, let's hop onto Discord. Okay, so here we are in my Discord. By the way, join link down below in the description. We are so close to 250 members. And just let's do D button. And as you guys can see, it says button clicked, and click me, and it says you clicked me. You can, there you go. This just, you click me, only you can see this. So because this is an interaction type, only the person can see this. Do not worry, if it's an edited message, everybody can see it. Like, if this video does blow up, I will show you guys how you can do something like this. Which is, sorry, my bot's too small today. But calculator, and you can literally use the calculator. Let's say 5 times 6 equals 30 right there, and just exit out. So let's get on into designing the actual button. Okay, so when designing the actual button, you can do let's just put it over here because I like putting it behind it. It just style equals, and let's do button style dot blue. There you go, and that's literally all you have to do. You can change it to anything you like. I like this personally. If you don't like it, then do something else, I guess. But let's head over to Discord and check it out again. Okay, so here we are once again, and let's just run the debug. And not much has changed except it's a different color. As you guys can see, these are all the colors. I think it's blue, red, green, and I also gray, and I also think there might be a yellow. So test that out. There isn't, well, but they didn't add that many colors. But this is how blue looks like, and you guys can see how the other colors looks like here also. Click it and it runs the same, only I can see this, and you click me. I'm interested to see what you guys can do with this, and if you guys have made something cool, ping me on my Discord, DM me. I don't really care if they're open, and I'll check it out and maybe even feature a new video for something cool. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, thank you for passing 400 subscribers. It really means a lot. And until next time, go Scout.